Welcome to One Canal Road, Lahore's most premium residential address. One Canal Road has made another breakthrough in its construction process. During the month of December, we have completed Level 6 floor slab, Level 4 construction of gray structure, and 60% Level 5 construction of gray structure. Working 3 shifts a day, we have covered a total of 89,374 square feet in construction, pouring 6,265 cubic meter of concrete and consuming 884 tons of steel. Nearly 44% of the building has been constructed. One Canal Road is progressing at a very fast pace to deliver your dream lifestyle on time. The first of its kind, One Canal Road is setting new standards in luxury living, featuring breathtaking views all around and turning the vision of exclusivity into reality. One Canal Road, Lahore, living redefined. A project by DR Homes.